In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block IP in Cloudflare. If you manage a website and notice unwanted traffic, blocking a specific IP at the edge is a fast, effective way to protect your site. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and fields to make this change safely and confidently. Start by opening your Cloudflare account and signing in. From your dashboard, choose the specific domain you want to protect. This is important if you manage multiple sites, because each domain has its own security settings and rules. Once you're on that domain's overview page, go to the security section in the left navigation. Inside security, click Settings. This area controls how traffic is inspected and handled. Now scroll down until you see the option to create an IP access custom rule. The wording may appear as Create Rule or Create IP Access Custom Rule depending on your view, but the goal is the same. We're adding a rule that targets traffic by its IP. Click Create IP Access Custom Rule to open the rule builder. Here's where accuracy matters. In the value box, enter the IP address you want to block. Double check that you have the correct address and confirm whether it's IPv4 like 203.0.1113.10 or IPv6, which is longer and uses colons. If you intend to block an entire range, you would typically use CIDR notation, but only do this if you're certain to avoid blocking legitimate visitors. Give the rule a clear name and fill in any other necessary details. A descriptive name helps you and your team instantly recognize why the rule exists, such as block known scraper IP or block abusive login attempts, along with a brief note in the description field. In the field selector, choose IP source or IP source address. This tells Cloudflare to evaluate the connecting visitor's IP when applying the rule. Choose the appropriate operator for your situation. Equals is the most common when targeting a single exact IP, and ensure the IP value you entered matches that choice. With the condition set, go to the action setting and select block. This ensures that any request coming from that IP will be denied before it reaches your origin server, reducing load and risk. Review your entries for typos or unintended matches, then click Deploy. Cloudflare will start enforcing the rule almost immediately across its network. That's it. You've successfully blocked an IP in Cloudflare using a custom access rule, helping keep your site safer with minimal effort.